about the cloud computing relative to pacemakers and defibrillators and St. Jude and Boston and Biotronic and other organizations and the data going back to doctors. You know what? Doctors never look at those reports. You know why? They're fearful that if something happened or something got missed, they'll get sued. Which is a fascinating consideration. Medical malpractice considerations.
I understand, and I think I don't think we've talked about reform of our legal system, but that clearly has to occur if we're going to enable a lot of these types of technologies to be used. There's got to be limits. There has to be reasonable oversight, and I think those things are coming. But it's going to take a long time, mostly because, frankly, the lawyers are the ones that write the laws, and you know.
We also have to trust the data. I mean, I think there's a big issue there with, sort of just basic data trust. As a practicing ED nurse, we now regularly use automated blood pressure cuffs to measure blood pressure. But in my practice, I've seen where those fail miserably, particularly with hypertensive patients where the cuff will deflate, inflate, deflate, inflate, deflate, inflate, and give you a horrible reading. So in my practice, I've come to distrust the data from that automated equipment. And I think the same thing could be argued for glucose monitoring over time, that we have to first fundamentally have trust in the data, which gets to the point I was making earlier about high quality data is really a health record.